If you are a bar or restaurant owner who was shut down during the pandemic or even limited by a local ordinance, or if you had a significant decline in sales and you kept your employees on during the craziness we went through in 2020, you are going to want to watch this video because I'm going to show you how to get a huge tax refund that you never have to pay back. I am 100% serious. Very few people even know about this. It is a hidden gem, a giant wad of cash just waiting to be deposited into your bank account, and it's super easy. Okay, how you doing today? It is Dave Allred, the Real Barman here from barpatrol.net and therealbarman.com. So everyone knows about the PPP loans that were available during the pandemic. All right, perhaps you were part of that, perhaps you weren't. Either way, many of you experienced your own little slice of hell during that time. So what I'm talking about today is an extension of that PPP loan called the ERC, or the Employee Retention Credit. All right, it is a government-backed program as defined by the CARES Act of 2020, helping those who were affected by a government-mandated shutdown during that time. And I can hear you right through the screen right now. You're like, how much we talking about here, Dave? How much money can I get? Okay, I'm talking about a potential $26,000 per W-2 employee. So if you had just 10 employees you kept on and they qualified for the full amount, that would be $260,000 into your bank account completely free. All right, now I'm not going to completely bore you with all the facts of the ERC. That would be me like reading the IRS website to you, which has endless paragraphs of information on this, much of which you don't feel like wading through. All right, but I am going to give you the bullet points, and I am going to give you the link to the best company I know helping bars and restaurant owners get this money back into their bank account so you don't have to wade through all that crap. Okay, and why are they the best? Well, I did my research, as I like to do, and this company called ERC Help Desk is a smaller company providing this service in an ethical way. And I say this because many of these large financial companies that I found helping restaurants do this are taking like a 30 or 40% commission from your tax credit, and this company only takes 15%. Okay, sometimes they might have to take 20% if they have to do a lot of research, but either way, it is a fair and reasonable commission, and I really like that about them. Okay, in addition, they do their research and they file their claims as they should be filed. All right, they don't take shortcuts, whereas many of these other companies file any and all claims that come their way, and that's very dangerous. That puts you in harm's way, which can come back and bite you by the IRS if your claim is not legit or done properly. So I did the homework to save you from having to do this. I really like this company, but you are welcome to find a service, any other service you want. It's totally up to you. Okay, so I'm going to give you the bullet points and answer the most frequently asked questions. Then at any time you're ready, click the link below in the description or right up here, and then go check them out. And if you click that link and tell them that Dave the Real Barman sent you, they're going to treat you right. And by treat you right, I mean they're going to get you a dump truck full of money. All right, a dump truck full of free money. All right, this is a 100% legit government-run program, and the average claim payout at this time is $150,000, and that's average. And there's no risk of running out of money because this is a $4 billion program. All right, however, the more time that goes by, the less chance you have of getting your tax refund. Okay, also, by clicking the link, that ensures that you will not have to pay any processing fees during your claim process either, so that rocks also. Okay, so let's answer a few of the questions you might have. Let me just get out of the way here so you can see the questions. So first off, what is the ERC? All right, well, the ERC is the Employment Retention Credit under the CARES Act. It is a refundable tax credit paid back to the business owners as an incentive for keeping their employees on during the pandemic. Okay, I already kind of explained this to you, but that's it in a succinct description. Okay, well, do I have to pay it back? I've already explained this too, but no, you do not. It is not a loan. It is a tax credit. You just need to make sure you file so you don't miss out on your free money. All right, the faster you file, the better chance you have of getting your money. How do I know if I qualify for the ERC? Well, there are two ways to qualify. One, if your business was fully or even partially shut down during the 2020 year after March 12th because of a government mandate, you qualify. Okay, or secondly, if you had a significant decline in gross receipts, you qualify. This will be compared to your 2019 sales, and a significant decline is defined as a 50% decline in receipts compared to the same time period of the previous year. So you can look at that. All right, well, how much money can I get from the ERC? I kind of indicated on this as well, but this depends in general. But the total claimable amount per employee across all 6 quarters that are eligible, which is quarters 2, 3, and 4 of 2020, and quarters 1, 2, and 3 of 2021, is $26,000 per W-2 employee. Okay, and the average claim, as I said, for restaurants is about $150,000 right now. What if I already received a PPP loan? Can I still qualify for ERC? All right. The short answer is yes. All right. But this depends on your situation. Instead of me trying to determine your situation, the people at ERC Help Desk will review it and let you know how much you can recover instead of me trying to explain it here. Plus, I don't know your situation, obviously. So go ask them and they will tell you. But most of the time, we found that yes, you can. Can I just have my accountant do this for me? Why do I have to go to a service? Well, yes, if they are an expert in this area, but that is extremely rare, all right, for them to know. You really need a specialist who's able to get you the maximum amount of money. It is very likely that a CPA will miss important information that will get you more money. All right, this is an area of specialized knowledge, and you're going to want someone who knows what they're doing. Okay, this is all that ERC Help Desk does. All right, they don't do anything else. They literally exist to help you get your ERC money. All right. Do I qualify if I actually made more money in 2020, which has happened to people, right? They adjusted, they adapted, and believe it or not, the answer is yes. Even if you made money, if you were shut down at all or forced to change your business model, you still qualify for these funds. So if you're super resilient and you build outdoor patios, or you had curbside pickup and you changed your model and you were still making money, you still qualify. Okay, so let's look at some examples. If you were forced to close and or limit your on-site dining capacity due to COVID-19 restrictions, you qualify. If there were supplier interruptions caused by your business to have delayed production timelines, COVID-19 restrictions lowered the amount of people who could sit and eat in your restaurant, or you had to reduce operating hours due to COVID-19 cleaning requirements and restrictions. Okay, so here's how it works. Now, if you click on the link and you go there, you're going to submit a pre-qualifying questionnaire. It's very simple. It's very fast. You'll then receive a link to upload the necessary documents, and they're going to tell you which ones that you need. And then within 2 to 7 days, it's usually faster than that, at no charge. If you use my link, they provide you the exact dollar amount of the credit you are owed. All right, if you decide to contract with them, you will then select a payment option and your claim will be filed. And refund will be generated by the IRS. There's currently about a 20-week minimum backlog for the ERC refunds, but who cares? You get it in 5 or 6 months. You know that money's coming. Doesn't matter how long it takes. It's basically money in the bank. And that's it. There you go. And I know that sometimes you might feel like it's a big pain in the ass to go research something and upload your documents and all that, but we're not talking about cutting coupons so you can save $37. We're talking $100,000, $200,000, $500,000. Who knows how much you'll qualify for, and there's no risk to you. All right, if you use my link, they won't charge you a processing fee. They simply will tell you how much free money you get. Okay, so that's going to do it for the employee retention credit. I hope this helps you, and I hope you qualify for millions and millions of dollars because it is a $4 billion program, and they've only burned through about 25% of it so far. All right, so get signed up. Get your money. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I am going to see you next time. I'm out.